what you doing? Alright. Alright, you want to give her a little... Let's see what she does.
Auntie Belle, look. Mm. Mm. What's that?
What's she doing? Mama,
You want some, baby? Come on, you can have some. You want some? Or no, you don't want some. Want a little bit?
What'd she do? What's that, Bobo?
What do you think of that? That was organic apple juice in a little water spritzer. Delightful.
You want some more cocoa? Give her a sip, see what she does.
Want to watch Mama? Let's watch Mama. Let's watch Mama. Mm. Mm. Boy, that's so good.
What is she you doing?
Before it even touches her lips. You want to try it again?
Give her some of it. Give her some. See what she does. No, that's not any. Give her some.
I choke her, baby, just so you can put something on YouTube, baby. You want to try a doodle? You can have a doodle. She's just spitting in it. You don't spit in it. You want some or not, baby?
It looks
Turn
good.
that TV off. That's distracted her. Here, just hand me this thing. There we go.
What's she doing?
She's pulling back from it. She doesn't want it. Yum's got it. Come on. Want a doodle?
What is that, Bobo?
What do you think of that? What did you think of that? That tastes different from what you're used to, doesn't it?
Does she want some more or no?
You want some more? Apparently not.
She shove it away.
Hmm.
Bobo, what is that?
She like anticipates it and just all freaked out about it. Careful. Careful.
What happened, Coco? Was that delicious or no? Is she keeping reaching for it?
Yeah.
That's awfully funky tasting, huh?
She doesn't even touch it.
Right, I'm done.